Hi, I'm Scotty. Welcome to Scotty's Clock World.
This is the parcel. You can see there's a wax seal there from Pen Classics. Beautifully presented. Alright, well, we'll open it up and see what we've got inside. Snap the seal off in one piece. Slide it off the box. It's looking alright. There we go. The Pen Classics seal. Undo the brown paper. There we have the Twsbi logo. Roll that down. Take foam lid off. Some information here. Twsbi. How to fill the pen. How to grease it with silicone. Which we'll do once we've taken the pen out. There we go. Out of the box. All the paper over there. And there's our pen. What a beautiful looking pen. Rose gold trimmings on it. This is an upgrade from the pen I've been using. The Twsbi Eco. Been using that for 2 or 3 years, a beautiful pen. I thought I would stay with it, but I was sorely tempted when the new Diamond 580 came out, and luckily I gave in to the temptation and ordered one. Once we've had a good look at this pen, I'll then be filling it Ama-iro blue ink, pale blue ink. Right, let's open the container. There we go. Beautifully presented. There's our new pen. Twsbi logo on the cap. It's a piston fill pen. I'll undo it. Rose gold nib, rose gold band. Clear plastic here so that you can see the colour of the ink. And smoky down there. Once we've lubricated the piston, we'll then fill it with ink. I'll put the top back on that for a moment. And you see, yeah, you can see the smoke, you can just see through it. Put it down. Now in here will be our silicone grease. Now first thing we do before we fill the pen is we'll take out this little spanner and the silicone grease. Here it is. So we'll leave the cap on so we don't hurt the nib. Now we'll push it down to the bottom, and as we do that, you'll notice that the cap on the plunger end is rising up. That reveals a place that we can put the spanner on to loosen the plunger assembly. Keep twisting that around till the complete piston assembly is loose. and comes out. Pull the piston up, then pull it out. Use a cotton wad to get just a tiny little piece of grease so that we can run it around both edges of the plunger. Right, put that back into the pen, push it down, move it up and down a couple of times to lubricate it slightly. Right, we're now ready to fill the pen with some ink.